Here we have a 68 plate BMW 540i M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the bluestone metallic exterior paintwork. We do have the LED headlights, glass black front kidney grills and also front splitter. We have over 12 grand worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. Just to mention a couple, we do have the visibility package and also the M Sport Plus packages. You then find the 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which are in excellent condition. The blue M Sport brake calipers behind, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We have the black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We also have the side skirts running along the bottom. Round to the back you'll find the rear diffuser with the dual exhaust. We also have the front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. Back round to the driver's side, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now if we take a look at the interior now. So inside of the back first you'll find we do have the leather seats with the fixed ISO points, foldable armrests in the centre as well. There's a look at them quickly. Ambient lighting on the doors, vents in the centre for the rear passengers. We have the electric windows and also Harman Kardon speakers on the doors. Same leather seats for the front, both front seats being heated. They're also electrically adjustable with the memory functions. There's a quick look at them. Electric controls down there, memory functions are on the doors. We do have the electric mirrors and electric windows which are locked for the rear. Harman Kardon sound system. We have the automatic lights, automatic wipers, multifunctional steering wheel. Just take a seat inside, you'll find the digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle starts up. Speedometer and the cruise control buttons here on the left. We also have the paddle shifters and the high beam assist there on that stalk. Digital dashboard free from any warning lights. We also have the main infotainment screen. It's currently showing the sat nav. Plenty more features on here though, you would have seen on the photos. We do also have the intelligent safety, which makes it a very safe vehicle to drive. Further down from there you'll find the climate control, heated seats either side. We also have the ice cold air conditioning as well, all working as they should do. Automatic gearbox just here, which has the different drive modes. You can press these buttons and quickly switch through all the different drive modes just like so. Also changes the design depending on the drive mode for the dashboard, as you can see as we flick through them there. Putting the vehicle into reverse, parking sensors will appear on the screen. Back into park by pressing P. You also have the shortcut buttons for the different options. You can see we have the radio stations, phone connectivity. We also have the electric handbrake down here, auto hold button and the armrest in the centre. That's all I'm going to show you today though. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes through a fresh service, fresh MOT and next day delivery is available. Thank you for watching.